Hi, my name is Brooklyn, and today I'm showing you fun things to do this fall. Pumpkin patches. I know everyone says pumpkin patches, but like, let's be real. Eating your cider donut and walking around finding the perfect pumpkin that you want to decorate, or just have in the house as a little decor. It's a fun time walking around, talking, going through corn mazes. Wear fall OOTDs for a week. So I tried this and it was actually kind of hard for me because a lot of my clothes are summery because I'm really into those pastels and getting into the warm weather wear, because for me at the beginning of fall I was definitely wearing dresses and just getting into the motion of wearing warm clothes. My favorite thing I baked this month was my pumpkin bread. So I got this recipe from Live Well, Bake Often, and this blog is so organized, so easy to find the recipe I'm looking for, and every recipe I've tried has been so good. So I definitely recommend, if you are looking for a new bake blog that always is consistent, livewellbakeoften.com is where it's at. Going along with the pumpkin theme, painting or carving pumpkins. I definitely think carving pumpkins is a fun time, and I like eating pumpkin seeds as well as the next person. Painting pumpkins is a really nice alternative activity. I like to use acrylic paint. Read an autumn themed book. I don't know if you guys are readers, but if not, this could be a great way to get right into reading and read something that's just seasonal and in your season. I have a really fun time with this. I'm currently reading Rainbow Rowell's Pumpkinhead's book, and the two main characters are working at a pumpkin patch. Try something pumpkin spice this year, even if it's the Elios yogurt or a candy, a bar of some sort, or even a pumpkin spice latte. Even if you hate it, you just try it out, be in that seasonal moment of fall and those leaves, those crisp leaves falling. So make a Halloween or Thanksgiving card, and me and my mom, we like to make cards for people because it makes people feel special. I don't know about you guys, but I get caught up all the time and I'm busy and I'm doing this and that, and I kind of am not thinking about everyone. And so when you get a card in the mail that's being hey, I love you, I hope you're doing good, and I'm excited to see you in a few months, it just makes you feel special. Sending something that they will open maybe when they're having a really bad day. I am 15, and I don't know if I'm going to go trick-or-treating this year. Probably not. Okay, well maybe I will. I don't know yet. But I definitely still want to dress up. This year I'm going to be a strawberry. My cousin and her friends sometimes dress up for Halloween, whether that's a Halloween party or something. And it's a fun little project you can do with you and your friends, or just by yourself for either a Halloween party, or maybe you have to take your little cousin trick-or-treating. Why not get some candy yourself, Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other fall favorites that I should try out, please comment down below. I'd love to try them. Bye!
Pumpkin smash.
Trick or treat! So embarrassing. It smells super pumpkin-y.
It's a pumpkin, I should hope so.
Well,